Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. So here we have a picture that I took some years ago. The idea was I had a friend of mine. I said, try and, kind of look like a farmer. And I believe I called this picture Surveying the Storm Damage. And there he is, and behind him is his old farmhouse. In actual fact, this was an old abandoned farmhouse. I don't think the farm was terribly active. And besides the farmhouse, there was a couple of barns, which are long since gone now, and other such things. But I thought, it'd be great if I could get this fellow to come and just kind of wander around, and I will shoot him. So in the background is, of course, is the old farmhouse. And at that time, it was still accessible. Eventually, it became boarded up and inaccessible, probably because it was unsafe. I don't know if somebody wandered in and got hurt there or anything. I certainly didn't. But there were places when I went in there that I was certainly not in a hurry to go to, because indeed, well, it was an old place. It certainly had some elegance to it, but it was well past its prime, and indeed, the floors might not have been safe. And I did peer into the basement, but I was never brave enough to go there. I did go up the stairs to the second floor, but that too seemed a little tenuous. Anyway, but the idea was to get this fellow to look like country folk and a farmer, and maybe there'd been a big storm and he was out looking around, just surveying what went wrong during the storm, what fell, what got twisted, etc., etc., etc. So there it is, surveying the storm damage. And this picture, by the way, it's taken in Ontario. Where would the closest place be? The closest town. Well, there really isn't a town near there. Let me think about that. I suppose maybe, possibly in the vicinity of a place called Argyle, but it's really not that close to there either. It really is in the middle of nowhere. And it is sad that, the house has deteriorated. And the house may be gone. I haven't been by in a long time. I know there were two barns, and certainly they're gone. And there was a little shed. I don't know if it's there. Anyway, I found all kinds of cool things to shoot pictures of there. And I made a couple of visits there with people. And one of the days, it was with this fellow here. His name is Phelps Goodman. And it was a fun day, a great time. And in some ways, I was able to create memories that do not exist. Because, of course, he is not a farmer. This is not his house. There was no storm. But that's part of photography, creating moments, saving moments, preserving moments for all time. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.